Hey guys, welcome to New Age YouTube channel, and if you're new, please hit the subscribe button and ring the bell icon. So in this video, we are designing a logo for a startup called Green Valley. It's an e-commerce platform for grocery. So let's get started.
Before you begin, it's important to have a clear understanding of what your logo is going to represent. The client will usually send over a document that will have all the necessary details. But if you feel it's incomplete, then don't hesitate to ask the questions you need to. Once you have the clear understanding of brief, it's time to move on sketching. This is where you visualize your ideas and start to bring them to life. You don't necessarily have to be great drawing for this, you just need to be able to sketch down your thoughts on paper. Take a photo of the sketch and drag it into the software to import it. I have decreased the opacity to 30% so I can trace over it. Here I am using pen tool to trace the sketch. Here I am using paint tool to colorize my design. Do let me know in the comments if you'd like me to make more these tutorial types of videos from time to time. Hope you like this final design.